How to convert Figma design to Shopify theme Figma tutorial. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can go ahead and convert your Figma design to a Shopify theme in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So let's say I have this Figma design right here, right? So obviously this is not a very theme style design, okay? But how are you gonna use to convert it into a Shopify theme? So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna click on these, you're gonna click on plugins, and here you're gonna write Shopify. So once you write Shopify, it's gonna give you the Shopify image importer. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna run this up, and once you run this up, you're gonna basically add the Shopify product URLs over here, add Shopify collection URLs here, and add, however many you want to import into this section. So let's say I have this product right here, okay? And you're gonna click on it. You get all the basic products here. Now, you can either copy this link. So if I click on preview, it's gonna give you your store's preview, and this is what it's gonna look like. But I would much rather prefer if you click on view online store and go on your product separately from here. So once you click on this, you're going to go ahead and copy, and I'm going to paste this over here, and I'm going to click on import. Now what this will do is it will import this product, okay? So I'm just going to add the product images I want to import it. And once this is added, you're simply going to click on import. And what this will do is it will import all these product URLs into my Figma design. And that is how we can convert our Figma design to a Shopify theme by importing our very own Shopify designs into our Figma. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.